today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize a Slack workspace with channels and naming rules. Open Slack in your browser with your workspace already logged in. Once the main Slack dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar. Under the channels header, click #general. The general channel should open in the main area, and you should see the message box at the bottom of the channel. Click inside the message box at the bottom of #general. Now paste the channel naming convention message. Start with channel naming convention for our workspace. Then add #proj- means project channels, such as proj-website-redesign. Next, add #team- means team or department channels, such as team-marketing. Then add #help- means support and Q&A channels, such as help-it. Next add #social- means casual and social channels, such as social-coffee-chat. Finish with, when creating a new channel, please use one of these prefixes so the sidebar stays organized and everyone can find things. After the full message is in the message box, send it by clicking the paper plane icon on the right side of the message box. You can also press enter if that is how your Slack workspace sends messages. Now move your cursor over the message you just posted. When you hover over it, the action toolbar appears near the top right of the message. In that toolbar, click the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots. In the menu that opens, move your cursor over Organize. A second menu appears. Click Pin to channel. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Pin. A push pin icon should now appear next to the message, and that message is now available under the Channels Pins tab at the top. Next, go back to the left sidebar and hover over the channel's header. When the plus icon appears on the right side of that header, click it. In the menu that opens, click Create a Channel. In the name field, type proj-website-redesign. This name follows the project channel prefix from the naming convention. In the description field below it, type Design, Copy, and Launch Tasks with a new marketing site. After the name and description are entered, click Next. If Slack asks you to add teammates, click Skip for now. The new channel opens, and it also appears alphabetically in the sidebar under Channels. Now create the next channel using the same flow. Hover over the channel's header again, click the plus icon, and choose Create a Channel. In the name field, type Team-Marketing. In the description field, type Marketing Team Daily Work, Campaigns, and Updates. Click Next. If Slack prompts you to add teammates, click Skip for now. Wait for the new channel to open. Create the next team channel the same way. Hover over Channels in the sidebar, click the plus icon, and click Create a Channel. In the name field, type Team-Engineering. In the description field, type Engineering Team Daily Work, Code Reviews, and Stand-Ups. Click Next. If the teammate prompt appears, click Skip for now. Slack opens the new channel after it is created. Now create the Help channel. Hover over the channel's header in the left sidebar, click the plus icon, and select Create a Channel. In the name field, type Help-it. In the description field, type Ask the IT Team Questions, Laptops, Access, Accounts. Click Next. If Slack asks you to add teammates, click Skip for now. The Help channel opens and appears in the channel list. After creating the last channel, go back to the left sidebar and click #general. This frames the final view on the main channel, where the pinned naming convention message is available for the workspace. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, you're done.